Ashurstwood MOT Centre are your one-stop repair and service centre based in Ashurstwood near East Grinstead. We have been established since 2007. We are available for MOTs to cars, light commercial vehicles and camper vans 6 days a week by appointment. And we have a dedicated area for motorcycle MOT testing. We carry out servicing to all makes and models of cars, light commercial vehicles and motorcycles with significant savings on main dealer prices. We use the latest diagnostic equipment, enabling us to pinpoint faults in the shortest possible time. We pride ourselves on our quality of service, and most repairs can be carried out in a short period of time. For all of your mechanical repair needs, look no further than Ashurstwood MOT Centre.